All friends, family are here gathered today because Brian Wolf is dead. Now, does anybody have any words to say? I mean, his girlfriend, his family, anything? Anyone? Oh, sweetie, get back. Okay. So first, I like to say that he was actually my favorite child instead of Dylan because. Okay, you might want to go back. Okay then, girlfriend. Anyone? Well, I was his girlfriend from a Dare series, so okay. I'm his actual girlfriend. Okay. Um, let's just say that I really miss him, and we were there on that terrible day. The entire Dare squad was there. My baby sister. You. I wasn't there. Yes, you were. And it was a strategy. I really, really miss him. And in this room, I'm gonna visit it every day. Some nights I might even sleep in here. R.I.P. R.I.P.